Oh my god, and this is one of my favorites. I'm gonna show you a trick when I finish this video. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm super excited because I'm gonna do my first clothing haul. And I bought some cute things from ZAFUL. I don't know if you know this store, but this store comes from China. They're like almost like Shein, but I bought things from Shein already, so I want to try this store. But before we start, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you like this channel. And let's just get started. Okay, so this is the pants that came in the set. They're a little wide, and also they are like see-through, so you just might want to wear something under it, because if not, then your panties is gonna show up, ladies. I'm gonna link all the outfits that I bought down below, so if you want to check it out. I'm not sponsored, I just saw the store and wanted to try it out, but the material is really good. I bought some things from Shein, so it's almost like the same thing. And the top, this is why actually I bought the set, because of the top is so pretty, and you can tie this in the back. You can wear it with the pants that came with it, or you can wear it with anything, basically. But I would just wear it with some shorts and sneakers, and I'm ready to go. I paid $12.99 for this, and so the next item is this Plaid set. When I saw it, I said, oh my god, this is really cute. It's like almost the first one that I was showing you, but this is Plaid, and I really like the designs that it has in the sides. I tried on, and it was just a little bit tight on me. But if you are thinking on buying this one, if you are a size small, just go to a size up, and I believe it will fit better. And so this is the top that came with the set, and you can adjust it from over here. Okay, so for this set I paid $13.99. You know, the good thing about ZAFUL is that they give you like some kind of outfits ideas. I'm gonna put some over here so you can see. That's why I wanted to try some of their clothes, because they have a lot of cute stuff over there. And this is one of my favorites. It's a Plaid outfit as well. This is the top that comes with it, and it's adjustable as well. As you can see, the material is really good, and it's stretchy. It has like a little it's elastic in the back, so it will be easier to put on. So these are the pants that came with the set, and it's really cute. I really like the color. I just wanted something like I don't know, something I can wear like in the summer, even though I don't go out because I be home all day. Anyways, I just wanted to try some of their clothes and just take some pictures and put it on my Instagram, because why not? I paid $24.49. It's a little bit pricey, but I didn't mind because I used a coupon and they took out $24.61, girl. And they give you points. It's called Z points, so they took out $2 more. So in total they took off $26.61. Girl, tell me about savings. I bought some cute dresses as well, and oh my god, I was really in love with these ones. Hold on, I'll tell you the name. Tie Shirred Ditsy Floral Lettuce Trim Mini Dress. So this is the dress. I really liked like the little flowers. It's like off-white the color, and it has like little red flowers. You can wear this with some white sneakers. And the good thing is it has like this little things here. It will hold your boobs. And I really liked this one because you can tie them up like from the shoulders, like you can adjust it however you want it. So for the dress I paid $24.99. The next dress is this like a blue dress, and it has like cats and dogs on it. It's really cute. I really liked like the color mixed with the browns and the oranges. It's like almost as the other one. You can tie them up, so you can adjust it however you want, and it has elastic in the back, so it'll be easier for you to put on. So you can wear with some sandals or some sneakers. It's the same material of the other dress, and it's so pretty, but this one was cheaper than the other one. I paid for this one $18.99. Yes, it's just perfect. It's like really perfect for the summer, and you can actually wear it with anything that you want. It's so pretty. The next outfit is this romper. The color is so pretty. Oh my god. So the romper came with this white top, and it's a little bit wide, but nobody's gonna see it because it's gonna be under it. Every time I see something, I'm like, okay, so I can wear this with this, I can wear that with that. Okay, so for the coupons, this is what I do. So let's say that you wanna buy these 3 items over here. What you do is that you go to Google and you search for ZAFUL promo code. Is even in there. Here it says up to 50% off. The code is closet. Let's copy that. Let's go back to promo code and paste the thing and apply. And voila! It took $5 off. So this is it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I really like videos like clothing haul and unboxings and things like that. So if you want me to keep doing this, just let me know in the comment section, and I'm gonna keep doing it, because I basically buy clothes just to be in the closet. But thank you so much, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!